Hi everyone, this is Gavin from Gavin's Gadgets, and this is the Tronsmart Bang SE outdoor loudspeaker. So what I'm going to do is show you very quickly the bits in the box, which don't take more than a couple of seconds, but then run through all the features, how all the controls work, and then show you all the connections you can have. But ultimately the bit that you want to see is, what does this sound like? So I'm going to do a loudspeaker test. I'm going to play a whole range of music, which will all be royalty-free music via YouTube, so an audio library. So this is the box, and what you'll see is that it advertises on the back that it has punchy bass with sound pulse audio, up to 24 hours playtime, that's at 50% volume. Beat-driven light show stereo pairing, so you can pair another one of these quite easily together. I haven't got that, but it does apparently work. It also allows it to be used outside because it has IPX6 water resistance. Type-C charging cable, so you can charge this. You can also charge other devices. You can use this as a temporary battery bank. So if you were streaming from a mobile phone or something to using the Bluetooth, then yeah, you could do that no problem. It's an aux-in cable and a strap. So let's just show you that. So as I said, in the box you get this little sound pulse little card that tells you about the EQ sort of settings that you've got. I'm just going to do a demo of it so you can hear it. A strap here, you've got the strap here that goes onto, just clips on like so, and you can adjust it as well. You can make it longer like so. That literally just clips on here, so you can hang this over your shoulder. You have a USB-A to USB-C for charging, and quite convenient having a 3.5mm auxiliary cable in. So if you've got an old device with a headphone socket, out one end, into the other, no problem. Again, we'll show that in the close-up. And we also get the user guide here, and the user guide is quite handy because it shows you all the controls, how you can use it. So you can play, pause, you can take calls on it, and you've got the volume, you can skip and forward tracks. It's really quite versatile, and it's very easy to set up as well. But really, ultimately, what does it sound like? So this is the Tronsmart Bang SE, and if we take a look at this, it has some rubber feet on the bottom. It has the lights that you can change by pressing this button here, and it alters the frequency. There's 3 different types of options: off, on, and it obviously depends when the music's playing. It's also on the sides as well, so all very, very nice. Here you have the carry handles, nice and firm, plus the hooks here to connect the strap that I showed you that it came with. On the bottom, so you've got the controls here. Very, very straightforward. The EQ option, on, off. You can pair it to another device, volume up and down, play, pause, or answer calls, depending on how many times you press the play button. But where some of the magic and the flexibility occurs is on the bottom here. So here you have a flap. Here you can put a TF card in, auxiliary in, USB, the reset, and input for charging as well. But you can also charge other devices, and then you literally just push this down here like so, and that now seals that, and this gives it its IPX6 rating. Very, very straightforward, very nice, and yeah, let's go talk about sound quality, what I think of it. So what does this sound like? Well, I'm just going to play a few bits of royalty-free music from YouTube, and I'm going to put the volume up as well. And I'll try and aim this, and you can see you've got the lights here and here, and you have a light switch on here, so you can change the effects, and you can also turn it off as well. What I'm going to do is aim this at my microphone. What you also have is the special effects here for the EQ. You can control that. Let's put that on. It's on. Okay, let's try something else. Let's try another piece of royalty-free music.
Perfect.
And you can see the bass if you look. Well, I think that sounds really good. And from my end, I can hear a lot of punch. Remember, if you put this on a hard surface, you then use that, would help reinforce the bass. But I'm just holding it in my hand, and that was pretty good. We'll try and we'll see if we can find one more option for you. As you see, you can control the music from here as well. You can skip and go back of tracks, but because I'm playing YouTube royalty-free music, I have to individually select the tracks. But there you go, that's the sound. So what do I think of this speaker? Well, it's pretty amazing, to be honest. I love the light show. I love the fact you've got the clip here. I love that you can use it outside. There are a couple of offers as well. I've got some links below. I'd like to thank Tronsmart for sending this across, because otherwise there was no way I'd have probably got to listen to this, and they had been asking me for quite some time, would you like to look at one of our speakers? Every person that I have shown this to absolutely loves this. It's a nice piece of kit and it sounds good and it's not that expensive. Anyway, I'll answer any questions you've got. This is Gavin from Gavin's Gadgets. Take care guys, bye for now.